So good afternoon, students, and good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, Alex. Good afternoon, all. And today we will have, yes, Otto, good afternoon. Today we will have a new topic, but still in connection with similarity. Okay, so last meeting, we discussed regarding similarity of the drawings, including the scale. Okay, so that we can draw an object, an actual object, we can put that one and draw that one as a smaller object in a map or in a drawing with a scale. Same is true if a very small object and we can draw that one in a bigger size, that is still, okay, part of the scale. So that means we can enlarge a small thing, make it big, or that big thing we can make it small in a map or in a drawing using the scale. Okay, so scale is very important also. Okay, so can you turn on your video? Okay, Kaimuk and Pawan is here. Okay, kindly turn on your video so that I can have you as part of the participation. Okay, please turn on. Okay, so let's start with, okay, so I will report this one that grade 9/1, nobody will open their video. Okay. So we will now have similar triangles, and that will be our topic for this afternoon. Okay. So when we say similar, it would be synonymous, or it will be the same as congruent. Okay. So when does we say that a triangle is, or that two things are similar? Just like, for example, a twin. Okay, twins, we can say that they are similar. Okay, from the face, from the hair to the body, their height, the way, okay, their physical appearance, we can say that they are similar. Now, if we compare that one into our topic for today, it is about similar triangles. Now, if we say similar triangles, that would not mean totally equal. Okay, it will not mean totally equal, but they are similar in the sense that their angles are equal and they are proportional to each other also. So that is why we have that scale first, and then this similar triangles topic. Okay, so two triangles are said to be similar if, number one, will you please read, Alex? Number one. Alex, please unmute. Okay, corresponding
angles
are equal. Okay, so that is number one criteria, or that is one requirement that we can say that the two triangles are similar. First, when their corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so that is the first. We will discuss more of that later. Number two, when can we say that two triangles are similar? Number two, you read, Otto? Otto, read number two, corresponding sides.
Corresponding sides are proportional. It follows for definition that two tangents ABC and DE
are similar.
DEF are similar.
Okay, thank you, Otto. So second qualification where we can say that the two triangles are similar when the corresponding sides are proportional. Okay? So what is proportional? We can use ratio and proportion so that we can say that their side is proportional. Okay? So these are the two qualifications where we can say that the two triangles are similar. Angles are equal. No matter how big the other triangle and how small is the other triangle, their corresponding angles are equal. Or their corresponding sides are proportional. Although one is smaller, the other one is bigger, but if we can put it into, or they are proportional, or they can be put into a ratio, then we can say also that triangle or those triangles are similar to each other. Okay, so to further show, to further explain, and so that we can really tell that the two triangles are similar, we can use these tests or criteria for similarity of triangles. Okay, so what are these? The first test is angle, angle, angle test. So what does it mean? Okay, AAA or angle to angle test. Okay, so let me show you just a little bit because we will discuss this one more. Now, these two triangles, if the corresponding angle, this angle is equal to this angle, okay? This angle is equal also to this one, and this angle is equal to this one. Although they have different size, but their angles are equal. So that means we use the AAA or the angle criteria in telling that the two triangles are similar. Okay, so that is angle to angle test or criteria. Again, this angle will correspond to this angle corresponds to this, and this angle corresponds also to the other. So they are not having the same shape, the same size, but they are similar to each other. Okay, that is the first test. Second test is SSS, side, side, side of the triangle. Now, how to show? Okay, how to show or how to tell that the sides are proportional. Okay, so just like for example, this side, we identify that one as proportional to this side. The longer side is proportional to the longer side also. And we say that the third side is proportional to the third side of the other triangle. So that means if they are proportional to each other, then we can say that they are similar triangles. The third criteria is side, angle, side. Okay, this means to say that if the two sides, for example, this one, and the angle is also equal to the other angle of that triangle, and their sides are proportional to each other, then it is also a similar triangle. Okay, so again, in this topic, we are to compare two triangles, and from there we will identify whether they are similar or not. Okay, now take note, there are different types of triangles, and there are also different types of classification. Now, for example, Okay, Ton, give me one type of triangle according to angle. The first type of triangle according to angle. Ton, can you remember? Ton? Are you there, Ton? Please unmute. Ton. Uh-huh. Okay, what about Hemuk? Give me one type of a triangle. Hemuk? Hemuk, please unmute. Yes. Give me one type of triangle. As far as you can remember. Yes. Can you give me one? You already forgot. But take note that triangles can be classified according to angles: acute triangle, right triangle, and obtuse triangle. Okay? According to the sides of a triangle, we have equilateral triangle where all sides are equal. We have also isosceles triangle, two pairs or the pair of two sides are equal, and scalene triangle where all the sides are not equal. Okay, so those are types of triangle. Now it will be good that you know what are those types of triangle, because it will help also us understand similar triangles. Okay, so again, the three tests for identifying whether a triangle is similar or not is the angle to angle to angle test, side test, side angle side test. Okay, so what are these tests? We will study that one by one. Okay, A or angle to angle criteria. Please read, Dean. Please read, Dean.
Yes.
Yes, you read on the screen.
If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same
Ratio or proportion.
or proportion, and hence the two triangles do not equal called angle
Criterion. Okay, so this is now the first test. If in two triangles the corresponding angles are equal, then it will be a similar triangle. Okay, so the two triangles are similar when their corresponding angles are equal. And of course, if the corresponding angles are equals, then the sides also should be proportional to each other. So angle to angle criterion. So how does we apply this one? Okay, take a look here. Two triangles A, B, C, and D, E, F are drawn so that their corresponding angles are equal. So that means, okay, so take note, two triangles A, the first triangle A, B, C, and triangle D, E, F are said to be having corresponding angles. So that means angle A, this angle is equal to angle D. Okay, because we said that they are corresponding. So therefore, their angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Angle B is also corresponding and equal to angle A. Angle E. And the third angle also, angle C, is said to be corresponding to angle F. Okay? So that is why if they are, or those angles, corresponding angles are equal, then they are similar triangles. So how do we prove that one? If we take it into a ratio, okay, AB over DE, so that we can check that they are really similar. And then we can use also the ratio AC. Okay, we can use also AC, which is over DE. And then BC. Okay, so the third will be BC, the ratio of B to C and over E to F. Okay, so that we can have now this proportion, and out from this we can even use this one to find the length of the side of any angle or any triangle. Okay, so here we can say that triangle ABC is proportional to triangle DEF. And take note of the sign when we say proportional. So this is the symbol, okay, of proportionality. So that means these triangles are similar to each other. Okay, so using this side angle, using the AAA or angle to angle criterion. Okay, so that means to say, okay, so this is just what we have been explaining, putting ratio on the sides so that we can really check if they are equal. Okay, SSS criteria or side to side criteria. Okay, please read. Kaimuk.
If in two triangle sides of one triangle are proportional to the size of the other triangle, then the corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. This is also called SSS side
Criteria. Okay. So if in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal also. And hence the two triangles are similar. We can say that it is using the side test or criterion. Okay, so what does it mean? Explaining further. Here is triangles ABC and triangle DEF. Okay, so that their sides are corresponding sides and are proportional to each other. Okay, so that means looking at it, side AB, okay, side AB is proportional to side DE. Okay, so if they are proportional, then it will qualify as similar triangles. Side BC is also proportional to side EF. Okay. And then side AC is also proportional to side DF. So that if they are proportional to each other, then we can say that those triangles, triangles are similar. So if we try to check and use the proportionality, proportion or ratio and proportion of the two triangles, then we can counter check using this ratio or this proportion. AB over DE. Take note, do not interchange the side. AB over DE. Okay? Do not change. AB over DE, AC over DF, so corresponding side of the secant triangle. BC also and EF the corresponding side of the secant triangle. So that means to say that if they are proportional to each other, then we can say that they are similar triangles. Okay, again here the symbol similar triangle. Okay, so that is the second test, side, side, side test, so that we can identify if the two triangles are similar. Okay. Side angle side criteria. Please read Pawan. Okay, Pawan, please read side angle side criteria.
If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle, and the sides, including these angles, are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. This is also called SAS, side angle side criterion.
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 Criterion. Okay. So if one angle of triangle is equal to the other angle of the other triangle, and the two sides are proportional, then it will qualify also as similar triangle. Okay, again, if one angle is equal to the other angle and the two sides are proportional, then we can say that they are also similar triangles using side angle side criterion of side criterion of identifying similar triangles. Okay, so there, two triangles ABC and DEF are drawn so that one of the angles of one triangle is equal to one of the angles of another triangle. Moreover, sides included in that angle of one triangle and are proportional to the two sides included in that angle of the other triangle. So this means that, okay, so this means that if this side is equal to this side, proportional to this side, and then one angle, okay, one angle is equal to the other angle of the triangle, and then the second side is also proportional in here. So we can say that that is similar, or those are similar triangles. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Again, take note, this side is proportional to this side. This angle is equal to this angle. The other side is proportional to the other side, and therefore they are similar triangles because the length of the third side will just follow on this. Okay, so that is the third test, so that we can say that the two triangles are similar triangles. Okay, so Pang, okay, Pang, what is, give me one criterion for similarity of triangle. Pang, what is the first one? AAA means Pang. Hello, are you there, Pang? Okay, Alex, what is AAA? Alex, are you there? Yes, okay. What is AAA test for similarity of triangle? Angle A. Angle to angle.
Angle
To angle. To angle. Okay, again, you
angle
say it. Angle to angle to angle. That is the first
angle
test.
to angle angle.
Okay, so that is the
The
first
angle.
test. Yes. And the second test, Frau, what is SSS in identifying similar triangles? Frau? Okay, Frau, please unmute.
Yes.
Okay, what is SSS? Test of similarity of triangle. S
Again,
means,
teacher, I can hear you.
okay, what is SSS in identifying criteria of similar triangles? Side to S to S. Side to side. Side. Okay. SSS means side to side test. So that if the first side is proportional to the first of the second triangle, and the second side is proportional to the second side of that triangle, and then the third side and the third side are proportional, then we can say that they are similar triangles according to SSS, side to side test of the triangle. And the third one is, okay, Ton, the third one, SAS. What is the meaning? Ton, SAS. Ton, please unmute. Ton, unmute, please. Are you there? Ton, are you playing? Oh, Ton. Yes. Okay, what is SAS? To test similarity of
Sir,
triangles.
I go to toilet.
Okay, it's okay, it's okay.
I can answer.
Okay, so anyway, SAS means side to angle to side test, so that we can identify if the two triangles are similar to each other or not. Okay? Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so that is, let's continue and open your workbook. Again, take out your workbook. Everyone, let me see your workbook. Everybody, please take out your workbook. And I want to see them on your camera. Open to page 78. Okay, Kaimuk, do you have now your workbook? Please let me see.
Yes.
What about Otto? Do you have now your workbook? Otto, Pang, Alex, Dean, Pawan, Frau, do you have now your workbook? Ton?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So I want you to acknowledge so that I will know that you are doing your activity or not. Now, open to page 48. Open to page 48 and let us answer. 48, 58. Okay, what page was that I showed you? Similarity. 78. Okay, sorry, that is page 78. Okay, again, open that one to page 78. Okay. Now, number one, determine if the following pairs of triangles are similar. Okay, so you have there the example, and then letter A. Page 78, please. 78. Okay. One moment, and let's go. Okay, number 1, letter A. Okay, I will ask Alex. Triangle JKL and triangle NPM, similar or not? Alex, number 1, letter A, page
It is
78. Similar or not? Triangle JKL and triangle NPM, similar or not? JKL, take note, JKL and NP.
similar.
Similar. Okay. So number 1, letter A is similar. Okay, so that is similar. Letter B. Letter B. Otto, similar or not? Letter B, triangle QRP and SRP. QRP, SRP. Similar or not?
Not.
Otto? Not. Okay, so letter B, not similar. Letter C. Kaimuk, similar or not? Letter C. Triangle UVZ and triangle WY. Similar or not?
Not
Kaimuk,
similar.
come again?
Not similar.
Not similar, huh? Why? Try to look U, V, and Z.
Similar, similar.
Okay, so they are similar. Okay. Number 2. The following pairs of triangles are similar. Find the values of X and Y for each of the following pairs. Okay, letter A. Letter A. Triangle FGH and triangle FJK. Now, what is the value of X and what is the value of Y? Okay, Pawan, you solve the value of X, and Dean solve the value of Y using the ratio, okay? The ratio and proportion. Okay, I give you 1 minute to solve. Again, Pawan, solve X, and Dean solve Y. I will give you 1 minute. Okay. Pawan and Dean. Okay, do you have now the answer, Pawan? What is X? Pawan, you have now? Okay, we have 1 minute now. What is x? Pawan? X equals? Pawan? Equals 26. And y equals? Din? 36. Okay, so we have less than a minute, and please continue until page at the back 80. Okay, so please solve for page 80 on the next page. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for your participation in the class of today. Okay, so I just hope and wish that you will turn on your video next class that we have. Okay, so thank you so much and bye bye for now. Keep safe
Thank you,
always. Okay, thank you.